And welcome back to a new showcase for the build for the Chains of Perfection. And here we are going to start with the build. Any race works because we are going all stats, doesn't count, we are going offless. Any origin works, but it's recommended to go deep, not deep bound, castaway. For Murmur we are not going to get it because it's going to take way too much time. The Bell same, Prophecy Cloak as the main outfit, and the stat order is going to be, we are going to go 90 intelligence, 40 willpower, 25 charisma, 20 shadow cast, 3 agility, 142, 1 strength, and then back into intelligence and shadow cast. If you wanna go for shadow cast, is no problem, and then go fortitude, strength, agility, and that's it. We're going to go 6 erudition with 6 song chant for the massive damage, but song chant got nerfed, so it's not going to be as good as it was. These are going to be the main stats: neural overload, overflowing them, perfect flash, approaching singularity, and underdog. Unfortunately, we can't get ghost to guarantee our not getting hit, so we can't get it. Tough love and charismatic cast, very necessary, with Aether Overdrive to uncap our penetration. Eureka, it's very good. Exoskeleton for some less, to be a bit more tanky because we're going 0 vitality. Pressure calls for more penetration. Armor consecutive, padded armor, she still scales for more armor. See, shadow caster, it's not usually perfect, but shadow is not the best element in the game. Termite, if you can get it, get it. If you can't, don't. I'm going to also make something for that. Scuba Drowner, and that's mostly it. This build is very versatile. You can put any cards, more moves if you want. The main moves is going to be Shadow Gun with Shadow Sneakers and Shade Devour. You can go more moves, I'm not stopping you. The weapon is going to be the Battle Axe. Does show little damage because most of our damage is going to be with mantras. So we are going to need a caster's ring, an intelligence ring, and an agility ring. And that's going to be it. Back to the showcase. To start off, you are going to need approximately 10 overall obsidian, just to be sure you have enough. You are going to head down. You can go by the staircase, but I got shadow travel and I'm going to just teleport. You have to go bait him to the special place where he can't hit you absolutely at all. Try to not get hit. I'm going to get hit intentionally, but later, to show you the true damage of this build. Primadon has 40k health, so it has 8k per every bar of HP, so this build is going to do way more damage than it seems. You have to bait him when he falls into the water. It's going to be in the right place to bait him to the place. He fallen into the water, we fall down. As he gets close, summon your wisp. Use Shade Devour and place yourself close enough for Shadow Seekers to hit him. And spam him with Shadow Gun for more damage. We upgrade the Shadow Gun with three crystal lenses and 3 perfect lenses for more range, just to be able to hit him. I try to upgrade shadow eruption to make it huge so I can hit him, but it doesn't work anymore. I don't know. So we are just going to stick with the 3 moves. I just broke his posture. After you broke his posture, you want to go a bit back because shadow sequence won't hit him anymore because somehow he walks backwards a bit. So just go a bit backwards and continue the hitting. See how much damage we're doing. It's huge. Even though Primadon has resistance to mantras, we have closely to 50 penetration because I didn't go with the prophecy cloak. I didn't want to grind for it, and you don't have to, it's no problem. And before he's almost killed, you can leave and enter if you got hit, and I bet you got hit because from the second phase he roars. You leave from Roblox, you remember the server you were in and kill him, and you are going to get Chains of Perfection. Fairly easy, fairly nice. Let's see if we get something good, and then